Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the half adder. We know that adder is a circuit to find the sum and the carry of the given inputs. Let us see the definition. An adder is a digital logic circuit in electronics that is extensively used for the addition of numbers. The half adder circuit has two inputs A and B which add two input digits and generates a carry and a sum. So the outputs are 2, the carry and the sum, and the inputs are 2, the variables A and B. And the full adder is a circuit that has 3 inputs A, B and C which add 3 inputs numbers and generates a carry and a sum. So the inputs are 3 and the outputs are 2. Let us see what is a half adder. This is a diagram for half adder. This half adder has the pictorial definition like this. So this is a half adder. Inputs are 2, A and B, and the outputs are 2, sum and the carry. And this is the gate diagram for the half adder. The half adder has one XOR gate and one AND gate. Two half adders together forms the full adder. And let us see the expression of the sum and the carry. So now this is the gate diagram. A and B are the input and S and C are the output. Sum is the S is the sum and C is the carry, and now sum is found by XORing the input A and B. So the inputs A and B are given to the XOR gate and the answer is A XOR B, which is the sum, and carry is founded by multiplying A and B. So that is A and B are given to the AND gate. Here A and here this side A and B are given to the XOR gate to form the sum, and the same A and B are given to the AND gate to form the carry. So this is the XOR gate, exclusive OR gate, and this is the AND gate. Okay, let us see how the truth table goes for a half adder. So we know that in general this is the binary addition logic. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with the carry 1. Okay, now let us see how the truth table of the half adder is generated. The inputs are A and B. We know that for two inputs we have 4 combinations. So the combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. 4 combinations. Now what is the output? Output is the exclusive OR function of A and B. We have seen in the previous slide the sum is the XOR of A and B. So how to find out the XOR? What the XOR definition says is that when both the inputs are same, the answer is 0. When both the inputs are different, the answer is 1. That is the concept of XOR. The expression is A bar plus A bar B plus A B bar. That is the expression for the exclusive function. So here 0 and 0, A and B are same, the sum is 0. And 0 and 1, the inputs are different, the answer is 1. 1 and 0, the inputs are different, the answer is 1. And 1 and 1, the inputs are same, the answer is 0. So here we can say in simple words, for odd number of ones, the answer is 1. Okay, now let us see how the carry is generated. So this is the answer for the carry column. So here A into B is 0. We know that carry is founded by the AND gate. So A and B are AND together to get the carry. So what is the truth table for AND gate? We know that 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the output of the AND gate. So with the help of this AND gate and the XOR gate, the half adder is able to find out the sum and the carry of the given two inputs. So how the expression is formed? So we have to draw the truth table and then we have to draw the K-map. This is the K-map called the Karnaugh map. The Karnaugh map generally helps to simplify the given Boolean expression. So how to use the K-map? First we have to draw the two variable Karnaugh map, one for sum and another for carry. So this is the map for A bar A, B bar B. This is for two variable Karnaugh map because we are having two variables A and B. And for same way for the carry also we have to draw one more Karnaugh map with the two input variable A and B. So this is the diagram A bar B, P bar B. Now from this, how to fill the Karnaugh map cells? So we have to find out for sum. Let us see first. Here for sum, 0 into 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1 is 0. That means this is the cell 0, 1, 2, 3. So we know that this is the cell 0, 1, 2, 3. So the value of 0 position is 0, so it is not mentioned, and for 1 the value is 1, and for the 2 the value is 1, and for the third position the value is 0. It is not mentioned. Okay, they are left blank. So 1 and 1 are present in the position 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the expression that comes from the XOR gate. So we can write the sum as S is equal to A XOR B. Otherwise we can also write the expression as, actually for this cell, what is the value? A into B bar plus A bar into B. So that is the exclusive OR function. So we can simply shortly write as S is equal to A exclusive B. So now the sum Karnaugh map is over. Now come to the Karnaugh map of the carry column. So the carry column says that all the values are 0 except the position 3. So this is the Karnaugh map for carry 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the position. So now third position has the value 1, remaining are 0. So they are left blank. Okay. So now how it is formed? So this expression is formed from the Karnaugh map as A, B. So C is equal to A into B. So this is how the Karnaugh map helps to find the expression for the sum and the carry. That's all the simple logic of the half adder, how to add given two inputs using the XOR gate to find the sum and the AND gate to find the carry. So that's all the logic for half adder. Hope it is very simple and easy to follow, and thanks for watching.